Alright, well, I'm all set up, ready to lay the cabinet on the back. And the trick to this is going to be to lay it down on this lift table so it'll balance out, because I want to be able to lift it up. It's easier to work on if it's not laying flat on the ground. Plus, with this lift table, when I go to set it back up, if I don't have any help, I can do it easily myself by jacking the lift table up and then letting it rock down on the floor, and then I can easily pick it up and lay it over. If you ever try to pick up an arcade cabinet, especially a heavy one, when it's laying flat on the ground, flat on the floor, it's kind of a pain. But anyway, the only problem with this is it's got those wheels on it, and I'm hoping that the wheels aren't going to take the cabinet off and run away from me. So anyway, let's give this a try. Okay, well, I was afraid of that. It didn't work out like I'd planned, but I knew better because I said it before I started. Those wheels that are stock on the Star Wars cabinet, they're dangerous. I mean, I guess they're okay if you just want to roll it around a little bit, but I tell you what, it just took off on me and I lost my grip on it and I fell backwards. I'm okay. The cabinet's okay. End result is I got it on my lift table like I wanted it, so I can now work on the bottom. So all in all, it worked out. No real casualty. The only casualty was when I fell backwards, I must have pulled the electric cord that was hooked up to on top of my Star Trek Voyager. I had one of those Borg energy disc, you know, that like on Star Trek, and I usually have it sitting up here, but it was along the edge right up here, and when I pulled it, it fell off, slid down and hit the floor, and it's like a 12-inch glass plate. It broke in a million pieces, so that was the only casualty. But anyway, I film it like it happens, so I could cut that out and do it again and make believe that nothing ever happened, but like I say, I like showing when I do something right or when I do something wrong. That's the way you learn, and I don't mind showing it. If I mess up, I mess up. But anyway, okay, we finally got it so where we can work on the bottom here. This has just been another Arcade Fix tips and tricks from past videos you may have missed. Have you had your arcade fixed today?